Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the annals of prophethood, the story of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam stands as a beacon of unwavering faith, sacrifice, and divine providence. Ismail was born to Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hajar, a union destined to play a pivotal role in shaping the history of monotheism. Ibrahim, following Allah's command, left Hajar and their infant son Ismail in the barren valley of Mecca, a testament to their trust in Allah's plan despite the desolate surroundings and apparent hardship. Alone in the vast desert surrounding Mecca, Hajar faced an immense trial of survival as she cared for her young son, Ismail. After Ibrahim departed under Allah's command, leaving them with minimal provisions, Hajar's maternal instincts and unwavering faith guided her through the challenging days. When their supplies dwindled and Ismail's thirst grew dire, Hajar, with immense determination and trust in Allah's plan, embarked on a desperate search for water. In her quest for sustenance, Hajar ran between the hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times, scanning the horizon for any sign of relief. Each stride was a testament to her resilience and steadfast belief in Allah's mercy. It was during one of these fervent runs, in a moment of absolute need and supplication, that Allah, in His infinite grace and compassion, caused the miraculous Zamzam well to spring forth beneath Ismail's feet. The water flowed abundantly, quenching their thirst and providing a source of sustenance that would not only save their lives, but also sustain future generations. The Zamzam well, named after the sound of water gushing forth, Zamzam, became a symbol of divine mercy and providence. Its pure and nourishing waters became revered by pilgrims and residents alike, known for their healing properties and the spiritual significance. Throughout history, the Zamzam well has remained a steadfast reminder of Allah's benevolence and the power of faith. Pilgrims performing the Hajj and Umrah rituals continue to drink from its waters, seeking blessings and purification, reaffirming their trust in Allah's guidance and provision. Safa and Marwa, 2 small hills located near the Kaaba in Mecca, became symbolic landmarks in Hajar's relentless quest. According to Islamic tradition, Hajar's actions were driven by faith and trust in Allah's mercy, despite the seemingly impossible circumstances. Her 7 runs between Safa and Marwa, each a symbol of her unwavering resolve and faith, demonstrated her dedication and belief that Allah would provide a solution to their dire situation. Ismail, nurtured by the loving care of his mother Hajar in the sacred precincts of Mecca, grew into a young man imbued with deep reverence for Allah's commands. As he matured, Ismail joined his father Ibrahim in the monumental task of rebuilding the Kaaba, the house of Allah. Together, father and son toiled ceaselessly, their hands shaping the sacred sanctuary that would become the focal point of monotheistic worship. They laid each stone with meticulous care, symbolizing their unwavering commitment to Allah's divine plan. The laborious process of raising the Kaaba's walls from stones gathered from the nearby hills was not merely a physical endeavor, but a spiritual journey of devotion and obedience. Every stone placed was a testament to their faith and dedication, as they worked tirelessly to establish a sanctuary where believers could gather in unity and worship Allah alone. The Kaaba, thus rebuilt by Ibrahim and Ismail, became a symbol of monotheism and the ultimate embodiment of submission to Allah's will. Their collaborative efforts, infused with spiritual significance, set a precedent for generations to come, emphasizing the importance of unity and devotion in fulfilling divine commands. The legacy of Ibrahim and Ismail's dedication to building the Kaaba continues to inspire millions of pilgrims who visit Mecca annually, reaffirming their faith and devotion to Allah, the Almighty. After the discovery of the Zamzam well, the area around it gradually became inhabited as word spread of this life-saving source of water in the barren valley of Mecca. The community that settled near the Zamzam well was known as the Quraysh. The Quraysh were a prominent tribe in Arabia, residing in and around Mecca. They established their settlement around Zamzam, where they found sustenance and livelihood. The discovery of Zamzam provided them with essential water for drinking, agriculture, and trade, which contributed to their growth and prosperity. Through the descendants of Hazrat Ismail, alayhi salam, and Hajar, R.A., the Quraysh eventually became a foundational community that later played a pivotal role in the advent of Islam. They grew in prominence as Mecca developed into a center of pilgrimage and trade, centered around the Kaaba rebuilt by Hazrat Ibrahim, alayhi salam, and Hazrat Ismail, alayhi salam. The Quraysh's settlement near Zamzam and their subsequent role in Islamic history highlight the significance of this community in the early days of Islam, shaping the spiritual and commercial life of Mecca and beyond. Yet Ibrahim's faith was to face an extraordinary trial. In a dream directly from Allah, Ibrahim saw himself sacrificing his beloved son, Ismail. This vision was not merely a test of obedience, but a profound trial of faith for both father and son. Ibrahim, known for his unwavering devotion to Allah, immediately recognized the dream as a divine command and shared it with Ismail. Despite the immense gravity of the commandment, both Ibrahim and Ismail displayed remarkable resolve and readiness to submit to Allah's will without hesitation. As Ibrahim prepared for the sacrifice, the weight of his duty heavy upon him, he conveyed the solemn task to Ismail, who in turn demonstrated exceptional obedience to his father and faith in Allah. The journey to the designated place of sacrifice was undertaken with solemnity and acceptance of Allah's decree, each step a testament to their unwavering commitment. Arriving at the appointed location, Ibrahim laid Ismail down, poised to carry out the sacrifice as commanded. In this moment of profound submission, Allah intervened with His mercy. He replaced Ismail with a ram, miraculously appearing as a substitute for the sacrificial act. This divine intervention not only spared Ismail's life, but also affirmed Ibrahim and Ismail's steadfast faith and obedience. It was a poignant demonstration of Allah's compassion and wisdom, underscoring the principle that ultimate trust in Allah's plan yields divine mercy and fulfillment. This event, etched in history, holds immense significance for Muslims worldwide. Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, commemorates this act of obedience and divine intervention. It serves as a reminder of Ibrahim and Ismail's unwavering faith and submission to Allah's decree, reinforcing the enduring lesson that true devotion lies in complete trust in Allah's wisdom and compassion. Hazrat Ismail, alayhi salam, was intimately involved in the construction of the Kaaba, the sacred house of Allah, alongside his father Hazrat Ibrahim, alayhi salam. One of the significant elements of the Kaaba is the black stone known as Hajar Aswad in Arabic. This sacred stone holds immense spiritual significance in Islamic tradition, believed to have been sent down from heaven to mark the original location of where Adam first set foot on earth, and later reinstated in the Kaaba by Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail during its construction. The black stone, revered by Muslims worldwide, is positioned in the southeastern corner of the Kaaba. Pilgrims performing Hajj or Umrah seek to kiss or touch the black stone as part of the tawaf, the ritual of circling the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise. This act symbolizes the unity of believers in worship and signifies their commitment to the teachings of Islam. The black stone is considered a symbol of Allah's covenant with humanity. Ismail, blessed by Allah's mercy and chosen as a prophet, played a pivotal role in the lineage of prophethood and the history of the Arabs. His descendants, known as the Ismailites, would go on to form great nations and tribes embodying the teachings of monotheism and righteousness passed down through generations. Ismail's legacy continues to inspire millions. His life was a testament to the rewards of unwavering faith and submission to Allah's divine will. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the life of Hazrat Ismail, alayhi salam. His story serves as a timeless reminder of the power of faith, the importance of submission to Allah's decree, and the blessings that come from steadfast obedience. If you found this narration inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories of faith and devotion from the lives of the prophets. May Allah guide us all on the path of righteousness. Assalamu alaikum.